Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python tuple collection with indexes. So first of all, what is tuple collection in Python programming? So tuple is a ordered collection of data or elements. Tuple provides indexes to the collection of data. Tuple is immutable collection of data, which means we cannot modify or update or delete original data. And tuple is capable of storing same type of data or different type of data. And tuple values are given in square brackets and they are separated with commas. For example, tuple 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 in circle brackets. So tuple is a read-only version of list. List is mutable, tuple is immutable. Now, coming to the tuple indexes to the collection of data, it has both positive, negative indexes including 0. So positive indexes including 0, tuple 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So the positive indexes including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be given for 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 respectively. We also have negative indexes from last to first backward direction, which is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So these are applicable to 55, 44, 33, 22, 11 respectively. So here we can use slice operator, which is square brackets, to access the elements or data of a tuple with indexes. For example, tuple of 0, first value, tuple of 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly for negative indexes, tuple of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So these are negative indexes to access tuple values using slice operator with indexes. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python tuple example 2. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So next I'm taking a tuple 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So we can also take a tuple without circle brackets also. So first print tuple 1. After that we will print individual elements using indexes and slice operator. Tuple of 0, tuple of 1, tuple of 2, tuple of 3, tuple of 4. Right. So let us execute till here. Save the program. Come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. Python tuple example 2. So initially these are the tuple collection in circle parenthesis, tuple of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 using positive indexes with 0, first to last. So next let us go for tuple values with negative indexes. So for this I'm going to accept dynamic input from keyboard using input function. Enter 5 tuple values as string characters because input function accepts everything as string. I'm going to take 5 characters. So those 5 characters will be converted into tuple automatically. So print tuple. So tuple of -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, last to first. So that particular tuple values will be printed in reverse. Okay, run the program. Next, enter 5 tuple values as a string character. So I'll take HELLO. So the indexes will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So each character will be converted into tuple value. HELLO. So OLLEH. Okay. Next, let us take tuple with out of index. So print tuple 1 of 10, tuple 1 of -8. So we don't have that indexes. HELLO. Okay, you will get the error. Index error, string index out of range. Okay, right. So here in the previous case, let us put comment for the out of range index. Right. So first we are accepting the input as string characters. After that we are supposed to convert that into tuple using tuple function. So tuple of string. So previously we did not convert that into tuple. It will take that as a string. And that is the reason why we are getting out of range for string index. So now when we convert that into tuple, store that in tuple 1 and print it in reverse, -1 to -5. Right, so run the program. HELLO, it is string converted into tuple. HELLO as a tuple separated with comma in circle parenthesis. OLLEH, -1 to -5. Next, let us try to access tuple index out of range 10 -8. So save it. So just take only 5 characters. When you try to access, you will get it as tuple index out of range, which is index error. So let us put comment for both the indexes out of range, which is 10 out of range, -8 out of range. Next, we can access a tuple values using a loop. So I'm taking tuple 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 without circle brackets but separated with comma. It is taken as tuple. So I'm taking initially I equal to 0 for x in tuple 1. So 1 value from the tuple 1 will be assigned to x. So initially 10 will be assigned. So print tuple 1 of %d equal to %d. So I'm using a here format specifier %d, okay, which indicates a integer value. So that I'm giving it with %. This is a string. So string %, format specifier ix. So the first % is I, which is 0, and the second % is x, which is 10. So tuple 1 of 0, 10. Next I plus 1, tuple 1 of 1, 20. Okay, next x value will be 20, after that 30. Tuple 1 of 2, 30. Tuple 1 of 3, 40. Tuple 1 of 4, 50. I plus 1, okay, it will become 5. X in tuple 1, no values after 50, it will come out of the loop. Okay, so here I'll say print end of loop for tuple values. Okay, tuple values are done inside a loop. So save this, come to the prompt and run it. Hello. Now, so tuple of %d I 0 equals to %d x I comma x. Okay. Next, I comma x 1, 20, 2, 30, 3, 40, 450. After that, no values in the tuple. End of the loop for tuple values. So this is how we are supposed to work with indexes of a tuple collection in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.